Hey guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the What's New by Megan Thee Stallion TikTok trend, which I am so excited to do because it's one of my favorite trends. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go forward like this, and we're going to open our hands and then go down slow. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do the same thing but fast. 1, 2. So basically all together it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so after that we're going to do the helicopter with our hands. By the way, just if you didn't know, I do have a detailed tutorial on my channel on how to do the helicopter, just in case you don't know how to do it. So if you want to learn, then after this video you can go check it out and learn how to do it. So we're going to do the helicopter, and then for about like 1 or 2 seconds, and then our hands go up like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip our hair twice. So we're going to go 1, 2, just like that. So just 1, 2. That's it. So let's go from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 1, 2, helicopter, up, flip, flip. Okay, so after we do this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our right hand and we're gonna put it in a fist, and it's gonna go towards our left shoulder, and then we're gonna put our knee up and we're gonna hit our fist against our knee, if that makes sense. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. So after we do this, we're going to step forward and we're going to roll our hands. It's going to be really fast. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, they say picture. So we're going to pretend we're taking a picture, just like that. So your left finger, your left index finger is facing down. Right index finger is facing up, just like that. So 1. Once again, so roll, picture. Once again, roll, picture. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on because we only have, I think, 2 moves left. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, helicopter. 1, flip, flip. 1, 2, roll, picture. Okay, so after we do this, we're gonna step forward. We're gonna cross our arms and then cross them while doing a circle with our hands. So it's gonna look like an 8 all together, just like that. So 1, 2, perfect. And now after this, the very last move, we're gonna put our hands to our head and we're gonna pretend we're breaking our neck, just like that. So 1, that's perfect. So that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna go slow, then we're gonna go fast, and we're done. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, helicopter, please. 1, 2, shoulder, knee, roll, picture, cross, cross, and 2. That's it. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, helicopter, please. Flip, flip. 1, 2, roll, picture, cross, cross, and 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!